With remote work becoming more popular and everyone's upgrading their tech to better accommodate the new workplace, there are more gadgets available for this scenario. You know, it's a good chance you're gonna be on calls all day when working remotely, so this means we need more comfortable chairs, keyboards, mice, webcams, and headsets. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Shokz OpenComm UC Bluetooth headset, and a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. I know there are tons of different headsets on the market, so of course you're gonna ask the natural question, what makes this one different? Now there are a few features on this headset that makes them great for work from home environments. So what you do get with the OpenComm UC is that you get the headset, the magnetic charger cable, a USB loop dongler, and the hard shell case. Now Shokz is known for their bone conducting open ear technology, but what does that mean? It means the headset has an open ear design in which the headset doesn't directly go into your ear. Actually, it doesn't cover your ear at all. It's also lightweight, coming in at just 33 grams. It has a wraparound band that is coated in soft silicone, and it doesn't rest directly on your head, making it very comfortable when working from home. You truly don't feel it after wearing it for so many hours. Now, I do work long hours and I'm on calls off and on throughout the day. Now my day consists of many other things, like I'm listening to music, I'm filming, I'm editing, I'm getting a workout in, and I'm checking in with my family. So wearing an earpiece for long hours just isn't doable for me. It irritates my ears, it causes fatigue, and the headset dies after a while. So this is where the Shokz open ear design is really helpful, and it makes sense. The OpenComm UC headset is so lightweight that I do forget I have it on after a while. Since nothing is in the ear, it provides all day comfort, especially since I don't have to keep taking it off and on. I just sort of leave it on my head. It has multiple point pairing for 2 devices, so it will pair with my work computer and my phone too. Now I typically use it with Bluetooth, but if you're going into a laptop or a computer, you can use the Loop 100 Bluetooth USB adapter, and it becomes more stable and you get better range. And you know, that's sort of the way I use it when I'm stationary. Even though it's not in ear, I don't have to raise the volume to the meetings or in my music, and that is because it has something called Premium Pitch 2.0 audio. It could pick up and equalize both high and medium frequencies. I can hear others in the meeting talking just fine. There's also controls on the headset which allows for easy management. You can turn up the volume, turn down the volume, and make some adjustments there. Now for meetings when you're mostly listening, the OpenComm UC works well because it doesn't cause that ear fatigue. Once again, just sits there. But on meetings where you have to speak often, you know, that's where the OpenComm UC really comes into play. The headset has noise canceling boom microphone, and it's great for meetings. It's slim and it's flexible. Although the boom isn't detachable, you can angle it to get to the optimum speaking position. And when you're not speaking, you can move the microphone and, you know, get it out of your way. So you have a lot of options there. Okay, here's the audio quality with a little bit of background sound, a little bit of music in the background. It's a roughly 10 feet from me. And this is just to simulate some background sound. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now, although this isn't a music headset per se, it is using bone conduction technology, and that doesn't mean it's bad audio quality, it's just sort of a different experience. But for what it's worth, it still offers deep bass and overall decent sound. And when you have it outside, it is really nice because of the open ear design that, you know, you hear what's going on surrounding you. And even though it's open ear on your side too, other people can't hear the sound because it's using the vibrations to go to your inner ear. So even if someone is standing next to you, they can't hear your music or can't hear that phone call. Now, when it comes to battery life, this headset can last up to 16 hours and up to 8 hours of listening and talk time. And in case the headset dies, you do get quick charge. So if you plug it in for 5 minutes, you get battery life up to 2 hours. So look, $200, this is a solid headset that makes sense if you're working from home and need a headset for all around, all day usage. Now, keeping proper ergonomic form is very important. You don't want to be uncomfortable at home. And also being able to be aware of my surroundings when working at home is very helpful. But I think what's even more important is not having something in my eardrum all day, nothing just sitting there. And it's just a lightweight headband. So it's something that I forget I have on my head. So I don't have any sort of those fatigues or things where I need to give my ears a break and anything like that. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today for this video. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video, but of course, all opinions are my own. If you want to pick one up, hit the links down below. Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.